Hello everyone, welcome to I Must Gate Academy. Here is a recruitment update from ED, Directorate of Enforcement, means Department of Revenue. Yes, when you will go to the official website of ED, here you can see applications are invited for the hiring of system analytics and scientific technical assistants on the short term contract basis. Okay, so when you will click here on this advertisement will be open. Let's check it out. So applications are invited for hiring of system analytics and scientific technical assistants on short-term contract basis in the Directorate of Enforcement for its various offices across India. So system analytic number of posts are 7 at various offices, okay, in India. Scientific technical assistant 36 vacancies, and it is also at the various offices. Now what it is mentioned here, that okay, when I'm coming to the next one here, yeah, qualification. So look at here. So essential qualification: master's degree in computer applications or MSc computer science or MSc information technology, first of all, for the system analytics, okay, from a recognized university, or bachelor's of computer applications or bachelor of engineering, means if you are having BE or BTech in computer science, then you are eligible here. Okay, this is clearly mentioned. Or even BTech in computer engineering, computer science, computer technology, information technology, electronics and communication engineering are also eligible in this case. Okay, the next thing will be desirable 3 years experience in this one. So they required experience. This is the 3 year experience in the software development. Okay, this is the required thing. Next, when I'm talking about scientific technical assistant, so essential bachelor degree, and again BC is applicable, BE BTech in computer science, technology in computer science, okay, computer science or computer technology, electronics and communication engineering are eligible here. And in this case, 1 year experience is required in the software development using PHP or Java or ASP. This is mentioned here. Okay, now when I'm coming to the remuneration will be the candidate who are to be engaged as a system analytics and scientific technical assistant. It will be okay, 70,000 for the system analytic and 55,000 for the scientific technical assistant. Okay, nature of duties mentioned here, you can check it out. This one, this is a contract basis job. Okay, so you can see how what is the term and condition, you need to read it. So terms for the engagement of system analytic and scientific officer or scientific technical officer will be a period of 3 years. So this is a 3 year contract based job. Okay, so to be renewed at the end of the first year, second year and third year respectively. This is also mentioned here, and it can be extendable up to the 5 year. Okay, and here this is mentioned clear. Okay, so selection process, what is the selection process? After applying for the post, the suitable candidate shall be intimated to join the selection process on their registered email IDs with the requested detail of date, time and venue also. So candidate who have applied and do not receive any intimation from the department shall be deemed to have not been selected for the next stage. So here the selection process is not clearly mentioned, but they mention if you will apply here, then they will give you, means they will shortlist you, and then they will give you the email, okay, according what is the next process. So this is the clear thing. Selection post for I think that this is mentioned here also. You can see how you need to apply and what you need to do. If I will go to this one, what is this? As per this one, I think it is not opening here. So yeah, this is all about the details. Now when I will come to the last date, so last date it is mentioned here, as this post has been, it's mentioned here the last date. What is this? So within the 21 days from the publication of this advertisement, as this advertisement was posted on 20th July, so 20th July to the next 21 days you can just count here, dear students. Okay, so this will be the, if you think this information is helpful for you, you can apply here, read each and every detail also here before applying. When you will go there and you can apply, and you can just check each and every detail also, dear students. Stay connected to I Must Gate Academy YouTube channel.